Girls have always seemed confusing to us. But did you know that? The solution to this is incredibly simple. As children, we are all taught to be polite as much as possible. However, many of us find that it's not easy to find the one. In reality, it seems that getting your dream girl usually just doesn't work out the way you anticipated. It's a strange phenomenon that a lot of the most captivating things in nature are actually the most dangerous to touch. For example, there are some really pretty flowers you'd never want to come closer to, and there are also some venomous lizards that look really cute from afar too. It's weird how certain things that look harmless from a distance can be deadly. Why does nature instill this desire for us to continuously touch and feel every delicate flower and animal we come across? Even though we know they can kill us, you'll soon find out something similar is built into every girl walking on the planet. Think back to your time in high school when there were certain type of guys who had girls chasing them all the time. I'm not talking about the guys who are always really nice to girls and spend lots of time with them. I'm referring to the guys who always had other options, even if they didn't realize it. What was their personality like? A lot of these guys who identify as alpha or bad boys unknowingly play different roles than they think. One thing all these guys have in common is that they focus on themselves and their guy friends rather than chasing girls. In fact, the more these guys focus on themselves, whether it be through their skills, passions, or side hobbies, the more girls chase them. This might seem like an odd contradiction, but it's true. Girls are more attracted to guys who spend time and effort on themselves. You think that if you put in 90% of your time trying to please a girl and make her happy, she would return all the love you give her, right? Wrong. The truth is, the more attention or care you show her, the less attracted you become to her. It can seem like a paradox. It's actually very simple to understand. Girls' subconscious sees the guys who don't want them as available and those who invest their time in them as unavailable. To put it another way, if you chase her, she will run for the hills. Guys who dedicate all their time and energy to chasing girls end up seemingly needy to them. And when girls notice this, they will start running away from them as fast as they can. Nice guys don't know that by not pursuing girls, they end up attracting them in the long run. Meanwhile, bad boys and jerks who put in less effort, the benefits of more girls than they can count. It's important for guys to understand that girls naturally want what they can't have. What I'm trying to say is that girls want a challenge. It's a bit like a fishing game. Imagine you have a billion girls all sitting above a lake, each with their fishing line in the water. They all have to wait for a bite before they can reel it in and catch anything. The nice guys and emotionally weak men are like the bottom feeders that keep getting snagged on the line, and it's up to the girls to reel them in, cut them loose, and give their spot in line back. The girls can catch a lot of carp, even with average bait, but they prefer to pursue higher quality fish because it'll make their fishing day more rewarding. All in all, they want to reel in a good catch. But what do I mean by this? A good catch means different things to different girls. For a super masculine girl, a good catch might be someone who's submissive and will do what she says. For a super feminine girl, a good catch might be a physically strong or dominant alpha who dominates her life. So, how do you make every girl fall for you and make yourself more attractive without actually chasing them? The key is the more you focus on self-development, the more girls chase you. It's paradoxical, but it is so. The best way to make girls fall for you is to make them wonder how they might win your heart. Basic tactics are not enough. It's time to become a man with a mission. If you think about the most successful men in sports, they often have an endless flock of girls chasing them. No matter what you do in life, just keep aiming to further your skills. That way, you'll always feel confident in yourself. As men, it's important to have achievements in life. This enhances our confidence greatly, and feeling confident is what makes any man universally attractive. So set goals to improve yourself, or for things like sports or career, and work at them every day. There are no excuses no matter who you are. Success isn't something that'll just happen. You have to work hard and dedicate a lot of time and effort into improving your own life. The more you put in, the more success you will find everywhere. Remember, a girl will love a guy who is very confident and knows what he wants, so work on yourself and harness the confidence within you. Girls will then start to pursue you. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and before you leave, make sure you subscribe to After School Psychology, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any updates. We'll see you in the next video.